You might be wondering what I'm doing right now. I'm actually charging my mouse. That's right, this is Lenovo's new mechanical energy harvesting technology built into this keyboard and mouse. This is goofy, but it's kind of awesome. You can power up your mouse and your keyboard with the power of the sun, thanks to this awesome little solar panel, or with the power of your fidgety fingers. There's a winding key, little crank built into the bottom of the mouse. You wind this for a minute, you get 30 minutes of mouse time. Play with this for 5 minutes, 30 minutes of keyboard time. It's different, but that's what CES is for, isn't it? Cool ideas that are different, that are exciting, and we're still trying to figure out what they're for. This is about powering the peripherals we use every day, harnessing the fidgety energy we all have every day, procrastinating with a purpose, if you will. We're excited to see it and try it and see how it actually works. We'll be harvesting our energy all week long here at CES. Stick with us for PC Mag. We'll talk to you later.